topic is how to choose strategic partner for POS solution. I think there are 3 parts there. The first part is financial payment overview. The second is for customer insight and the quality. For the financial payment overview, I want to show you the world map. It's divided into 3 stages. The first is the primary stage. For some African area or for some Latin American area, like you see the yellow area, it's the primary stage. The payment mainly refers to banknotes, subjects as current function. And the second stage is developing stage. I come from China. I think China is in the developing stage. Mainly refers to the Southeast Asia, South Asia, Australia countries. Financial payment market develop rapidly. Now in China, there's millions of POS terminals are required in the market. It's a huge development. The payment method is mainly by the bank card. And the third stage is the mature stage. Mainly refers to the North America, such the USA, the Canada, they are very mature. They have a lot of different ways to make the payment. I've been in the USA last month, and I just bring the credit card. I don't need to bring any cash. So it's very mature. Bank card payment is fully developed, and the electronic payment is private. So for us, we think the Middle East is our first privilege here. Let's go back to the industry chains for the payment industry. You can see the main player is the bank and the operator. And now with the time going, there's a third payment party. Also the merchant and the retailer organization that make the payment situation. And for this industry develop, there's a lot of organizer such as the solution provider, application provider, the mobile manufacturer, such as I saw Nokia on this payment this time. It means the mobile payment will have a big future. As you can see, of course, the client is in the center. All of this business is surround the client. And for the whole industry, you can see we have a lot of challenges here because different customer has different requirements. Such for the airport, when you take the plane, you can use your credit card to buy the free duty items on the 10,000 meters high. The POS terminal will do the offline transaction. You can make the payment on the airport, and they will do the offline transaction after the plane come back to the ground. And you also can see the retailers. When you go to McDonald's or KFC, you will see they will use the POS terminal to order the food to make the payment. And for the transportation, we successfully deployed 3,000 units POS terminals to the Amtrak. It's a station. It's a real company. Like if you take the train from Boston to New York, from Philadelphia to Boston, you can see our POS terminals. The conductor used the POS terminals to sell you the food, to sell the ticket for you. Also for the mall, for the big shopping mall, you can see in the USA or in China, you can see the signature, electronic signature. In China, in the near the seaside city, we normally use the card because if we use the credit card, we can get a lot of gifts from the bank. So how do you choose go back to our topic, how do you choose the strategic partners? We think you should focus on win-win commercial modes. Let's see some of our customers here. Just like I see you, the industry chains, you can see the bankers, like that's card unions, like the UnionPay, because I'm from China, so I will take China UnionPay here. And you also can see some banks. They are all of our partners there. There's different banks, so different application. Because now Chinese population is more than 1.5 billion now. So different people has different requirements. That means it's so huge and multi-application in China. So we think we can deal with the Middle East here. And you also can see the third payment party, such like the operator. PCCW is the most richest Chinese people's company, and Sinopay. About the quality, I want to talk about the product quality, the service quality, and the cost quality. Because the post-payment industry is a very strict industry, you have to pass a lot of certification, then you can sell. Because the normal organizer, the normal merchant, they can't buy the post terminal. The post terminal must connect with the bank's host, so you must be secure. Just like the Verifone guys said, must be convenient and secure. Let's go back to the history to the payment industry. In 1950s and 1960s, the first card organization established. It's American Express and MasterCard and JCB. They are established in the 1950s. And then Visa came in 1970s and 1980s. And China UnionPay established in 2002. You see, we passed all of these certifications. It cost millions of monies. These the certificates. Okay, thanks. About the R&D quality, we want to introduce the one-stop solution. We provide from terminal to network of a payment background E2E one-stop solution for customers. It's convenient for rapid deployment and overall operation and maintenance. And we have the modular solution. It means we provide payment solution of a modular. Customers can choose one or several payment modulars. We have the post terminal. You can swipe. You can use the swipe card. You can use the chip card or RFID card. And now we have the card reader in Hong Kong. I don't know how many people are come to Hong Kong. Have before. Yeah, if you have been Hong Kong, you will see the octopus. Do you know? You can use this card for mature. You can go to 7-Eleven to buy the cigarette. You can do a lot of things with this card. And you just put the card. It's RFID. It's very easy. You don't need to input the password, and you don't even to swipe the card. You just put, then you leave away. Take your foot, leave away. So it's very easy. And about the converged solution, we provide a payment solution of integration with compatible clients. Have been any payment mode to avoid duplication and save customers' investment. We also provide a payment solution of scalable to facilitate customers' business expansions. I will show you the whole process of the payment post terminals. First, you should arrange material preparation production schedule. Then the professional team with advanced test devices will do the testing job. Then you experience the instructors with different training types. We will offer you a whole training to teach you how to repair the hardware, to develop the software, and to do some added valued application. Talked about the added valued application, we will go to the SDK. SDK means second development kit. Use this SDK, you can do everything you want to do, such as our multi-application means you can use the self-service to buy the lottery. To buy the lottery, you don't need the people there. You can choose the lottery number, your lucky number, then you can swipe the card and make the payment. And you can pay the water and the electricity fees, because in China there are so many people. You have to go to the bank to wait a line. It will take you 1 hour, 2 hours. But if you use the POS terminal, you don't need to waste time. You can pay the water or electricity or the internet fees on terminal. And we also has the air ticket. You can book the air ticket. If you want to fly to Beijing, to Shanghai, to Abu Dhabi, to Dubai, you can book the ticket on the POS terminal. And our response time is from 1 to 2 hours for urgent, 1 to 2 working days for import, and 3 working days for normal. Here I would like to use this gentleman's word. He said, doing it right the first time. If you're doing everything at the right first time, you will be successful. And he mentioned he's the quality professional. He noted the COQ is the cost of the quality equals price of conformance at price of non-conformance. It means if you are doing the right thing, you don't waste the money, waste the resources at the first time. It can help you a lot. That's what we do at the first time. We were doing the aging test. All of the terminals must keep running work at 48 hours in the old aging room to keep everything on time. And now is more and more people pay attention to our environment. We must do a lot of environmental work for our Earth. And we will do some professional tests. To evaluate OEM, ODM capability, because you know China is famous for the manufacture. I went to USA. I have been to South Africa in April and USA in March. I noticed every shop is the same. All of the clothes is made in China. So I believe the POS terminal, even the Verifone in Ingenico, they also assemble the POS terminal in China. So I think that's our advantage. You can see our factory. We have advanced product equipment, and we have a very good quality system compliant to the international standard. And our month's production capability is about 10,000. Delivery capability is 1 or 2 months based on thousands of units. Thank you for your time here, because it's my first time to be here. Maybe I feel nervous and not so well organized. But thank you for your time, and welcome to visit our booth. Thanks.